Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to remove green screen background on CapCut. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead right here into adding my green screen by clicking upload right here, and you're going to add it from your desktop to your gallery. So this is like a demonstration, so nobody takes it seriously. This is when you edit a video or something like that and you add a green screen, this is how you do it simply, right? Now I'm in the CapCut workspace, which is online. So I'm gonna click the video right here, or the photo of the green screen, and I'm gonna click Smart Tool. In the Smart Tool, you're gonna see chroma key. Go ahead and color it with blue or green in that matter, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and click Color Picker. And basically, what I'm gonna do in the color picker, I'm gonna choose the color which is green, and as you can see, simply we managed to remove the green screen. And if you want to select the intensity so you won't see any leftovers of the of the green screen, basically hit cancel. And if you want to save it, basically hit export at the top right, and then basically export it to your to your desktop. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.